Hey guys, Mike from Epoxy Creations again. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I'm doing that church project that I've been talking about. I made up a gallon of clear epoxy, and now I'm going to go ahead and put that off into a couple of quarts because I'm doing 4 different colors. Alright, so the 4 tints I'm going to use for this, I'm going to be using Stone Coat White Metallic, I'm also going to use some Alumilite White Dye Opaque, and I know this stuff goes a long way, so put a little in, we'll see how that goes. Alright, this is from Folk Art. It's a marbling acrylic paint. So I'm going to put some of that in this other one. I don't know how much I'm going to need, but I'll get back to it. And I'm going to be using some orange metallic that I got from Tim Cohill. Alright, so now that I got all my 4 done, what I plan on doing on this is going to be a giant billboard for my church, alright? And our colors are orange and white. What I'm going to do here is almost kind of a dirty pour. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I didn't show you everything I did, mostly, but after I heat gunned this to get the bubbles out, I came back again with my hand and just like smeared it around one more time, just to try to get some of the different levels of marbling look. I'm going for like a creamsicle marble, basically, is what I was looking for, and I got what I wanted. There was a couple spots that were had not enough white in it, so I drizzled a little bit more white, smeared it around a little bit. Hey guys, so today's the day for lettering our board for the church project. I got Kaleene from the Rusty Barn here today. She's been so awesome helping me with all sorts of lettering and stuff. We both go to the same church, so she wanted to be involved in this project also.
She did your shirt?
Huh? Yeah, she did my shirt. She did a bunch of stuff for us. So we got it laid out, now we got to actually letter it. So, we want Hey guys, so Kaleene's been helping us so much with everything, and I decided I wanted to gift her with some coasters for her business.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got them felt lined on the bottom for you. And they slide it on really nice. And it's the Rusty Barn. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Hey guys, so I mixed up a gallon of epoxy to do the top coat for this church project. I only need about 110 ounces. Got 112-ish. I'd rather have a little extra. I poured up some other stuff I'm going to do other things with, but I'm going to add my orange pearlescent to it. And I don't know how much I'm going to do, but I'm going to mix it again with the hand blender, the drill. Because I really want it to mix thoroughly. Went and put the lettering on, and this had a major problem. It had like the measles from so many bumps. So what I did is I masked it off. After I masked it off, I peeled up the vinyl, and then I painted it with paint and primer. I did 2 coats, and I think it's gonna be so much better than having the measles all over the place. So I wanted to have a little bit extra bling, so I added that orange pearl, and now top coat this. Guys, so we went and bought these silicone brushes from dollar store or whatever, and we're going to use these to chop. I've heard really good reviews about them, so we'll see how it works. All right guys, so we went and put the flood coat on, and I put that orange pearlescent in and troweled it out. Then we chopped it down with the little red silicone brushes. So these brushes worked really good. And I went ahead and I used lacquer thinner to clean off the individual bristles, and then I just went and soaked it in some lacquer thinner just to be sure. But these are pretty much ready to go again, and it didn't take long to really wipe them down. Like I said, I'm just soaking them in the lacquer thinner just so that I can make sure I don't have anything left over.
And how did they work?
They worked great. They did. They worked awesome.
You recommend it?
Absolutely. I do recommend these. I'm glad someone talked about them. Look, $6 brushes and leaving bristles. This leaves nothing. I used paper towels because I didn't want to use a $6 brush and leave bristles. And that left little chunks of paper towel here and there. This leaves nothing, 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 nothing. But I think it came out really, really cool. This orange pearlescent, it didn't like hide the white. And what's going to happen is with the pearls, you catch it from a certain angle and it'll start having a little bit of an orange hue. I didn't want to overkill it, but I just wanted to give it a little bit of bling. And then we also did the puzzle piece with the same. And that's for the E-Kids department. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed what I did with it. Until next time, remember,
That was easy.